The future of the Internet. The Internet is not a static entity. It continues to grow by adding new networks and new users every single day, every day. People are constantly working on updating and reversing the Internet's myriad components. The driving force behind all these changes, as well as all the Internet protocols, is self-regulating government of the Internet. Based on a committee structure, this government consists of many committees and groups, including the Internet Society, the Internet Architecture Board, the Internet Engineering Task Force, the Internet Research Task Force, the WWW Consortium, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, many more steering groups, research groups, and working groups. The best place to look for recently complete changes and changes in progress is the Internet Engineering Task Force workgroup. The webpage is www.ietf.org. It contains all the available current information about the Internet and its protocols. Of course, what they want to tell us. The new high-speed network is called Internet 2. One of the biggest changes to affect the Internet in the near future will be the ongoing adoption of IPv6. In case you are wondering, IPv5 was not a version open to the public, but one used for testing new concepts. In addition to transition from IPv4 to IPv6, a consortium of universities, businesses, and government created a very high-speed network that will cover the United States, interconnecting universities and research centers at transmission rates up to a gigabit per second, 1,000 megabit per second. A new high-speed network is called Intranet 2. So they are working on the Intranet 2. In terms of technology, Internet 2 is not simply physical network as the current Internet is. It will not replace the Internet. Instead, Internet 2 is a result of partnership of universities, more than 200 participating schools, industry, dozens of leading companies, and government. These organizations share the goal of developing new technologies and capabilities that will eventually be accessed by a wide number of users. Both business and the academic community will benefit from the creation and application of these new technologies. Finally, and capabilities. Finally, one of the latest concepts is the Internet of Things. It is the concept that more and more everyday objects and processes will be connected to or accessible through the Internet. For example, if you like jogging, perhaps you will purchase running shoes, will transfer all data about your morning jog directly to the Internet, and so on. Now let's take a look. Let us look at an example that applies what we have learned about technological and business-related aspects of the Internet. So this is an example. The Internet in action. A company creates a VPN. All right. And this is the company. This is the phone system. This is the PBX, and you can go through the details. Using a tunnel across the Internet into corporate. So these are the homes. This is the Internet service provider, a VPN tunnel through the Internet to the Internet service provider to the corporate. The chapter summary to support Internet. Many protocols such as IP, TCP, ICM, UDP, ARP, DHCP, and NAT are necessary. And we continue reading the summary. This is a rich chapter, rich of information. It's really interesting. After the summary, we have the key terms. Then we have the review questions. Then the exercises, more exercises, thinking outside the box, and finally hands-on projects.